Did you know that Townline is your local Kubota dealer for New Hampshire, Vermont, and New York when it comes to new and certified pre-owned Kubotas? What makes a Kubota certified pre-owned at Townline is the fact that these are going to be newer units that are still under factory warranty, like this 2022 KX057. So on our certified units, these are going to come to you at a 0-hour interval. That means that one of our technicians has touched all of the service points, and it's easy to see because we put a timestamp everywhere we've been. During our recondition process, we're going to make sure these machines are good for today, but great for tomorrow. And we do that by making sure little things like quick couplers aren't leaking and your thumb is tight. That way, this machine can grow with you. Now with 7 locations covering New Hampshire, New York, and Vermont, Townline has a variety of pre-owned inventory from all manufacturers and vendors. To see it all easily, head over to our website, townlineequipment.com.